What's up, DGens? I want to introduce a killer L1, a supercharged EVM, and that is Monad. We are extremely early, and I want to share with you guys why I think it's going to do well. So if you missed out on things like Sui, Say, Injective, Celestia, those runs were insane. As I mentioned, we're extremely early. I'm going to go over what Monad is, how to get involved, and all that great stuff. Extreme parallelized performance, superscalar pipelining for the EVM. The Monad is a decentralized developer-forward layer 1 smart contract platform that ushers in a new paradigm of possibility through pipelined execution of Ethereum transactions, crafted for productivity and fundamentally optimized. What does that even mean? I found a great thread which is Monad for Retards, and it's really crafted well. So we are going to go over that and break it down in easier terms. This isn't going to be a very deep technical video. I'm also going to share a video that I found from the co-founder and CEO of Monad, which explains what Monad is. So 10,000 transactions per second and 1 second block time. If we compare that with other major L1s, you can see how well Monad compares against them. So this, I'm not sure. I also haven't verified these facts, so I'm not sure how well it is in terms of representation and authenticity. So Ethereum, you have 15 to 20 TPS transactions per second, Cardano 2, Solana 2,000 to 3,000, Avalanche 4,500, Algorand 20, and then Internet Computer at 11,500. This other sheet I found right here actually had higher numbers for all of them. So Internet Computer, no limit. Solana was at 50,000 TPS. If we look at the block time, Monad does really well in terms of competition and in comparison. So average block time, Internet Computer 0.02, Ethereum 12 seconds, Polkadot 6, Cardano 20, Solana 0.8, and Binance Smart Chain 3. You have Zilliqa at 40 seconds, Algo at 4.5, and Avalanche at 3 seconds. So 10,000 transactions per second with a 1 second block time. It's pretty impressive. If we go into the introduction of Monad, it is a high-performance Ethereum L1. Monad materially advances the efficient frontier in the trade-off between decentralization and scalability. Monad introduces optimizations in 4 major areas, resulting in a blockchain with throughput of 10,000 transactions per second. Monad BFT, deferred execution, parallel execution, and MonadDB. And I think this is a great time to introduce the video from the co-founder and CEO of Monad. You can watch here.
Monad is a new layer 1. It's EVM bytecode compatible. So the same programs that have been built for Ethereum or other blockchains can seamlessly be migrated to Monad without any changes. It's also EVM infrastructure compatible. So things like MetaMask or Etherscan could interact with Monad in the same way that they interact with Ethereum without changes. Ultimately, Monad is a new layer 1 that does something I think different from what any other EVM layer 1 does, which is we're super focused on EVM execution, making EVM execution extremely performant.
Amazing video from the CEO. And now let's jump into the retard edition. What the fuck is Monad? If you're retarded like me, let me run you through everything you need to know about Monad in simple terms. This guy has the same name as me, so I had to share this. Essentially, Monad is a high-speed L1 like Ethereum, but faster and more efficient, ideal for handling numerous transactions simultaneously. Note those keywords. First cool feature, deferred execution. This feature allows transactions to be prepared in advance and executed later, speeding up the processing time. Imagine a kitchen that preps ingredients before the rush hour for quicker meal services. Second cool feature, parallel execution. Similar to multitasking, it enables the processing of multiple transactions at the same time, just drastically increasing efficiency. It's like having several baristas in a coffee shop, each serving different customers simultaneously. Third cool feature, Ethereum RPC API compatibility. This ensures users familiar with Ethereum can easily use Monad. It's like being fluent in a language and then visiting a country where it's widely spoken. Monad BFT. What does it do? Consensus mechanism ensuring transactions are verified quickly and securely, much like a high efficient and trustworthy committee that oversees operations to be completely honest. MonadDB, what is it? A specialized database system for storing and managing blockchain data more efficiently, ensuring quicker access and better organization, akin to a highly optimized digital library. WhenCoin, no idea. As mentioned, the testnet is predicted to come out in Q1, late Q1. How to get involved, join the community. They have a Discord right now, a ton of members, 8,000 people online. I saw almost 100,000 members last I checked, probably purged a ton of fake accounts or inactive. But you get in there, you can start interacting with the team, with the community. You get into a waiting room, and then after some time, you get into the actual server. You have access to everything. I believe getting in there would be beneficial. Learning what they're doing, being on top of the updates and the releases of the testnet, the mainnet, maybe being able to qualify for an airdrop if you're in there because you're using the testnet, and just being on top of it. You do not want to miss out on Monad. I wanted to just make a quick video on it, a quick overview, getting you involved, putting this on your radar. We'll be doing a ton of follow-ups. I will be buying this when it comes out, using the testnet, trying out the tech, all that great stuff. So if you have any great L1s, L2s, just any project in general, throw them below. I'd love to take a look at them. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.